Ever tried cooking two things at once and ended up with one crispy, one soggy? Yeah, me too, but what if I told you there's an air fryer that basically does the multitasking for you? Meet the Xiaomi Smart Double Stack Air Fryer 12 liters. Your kitchen's new double trouble in a good way. So here's the deal, this isn't your regular single basket air fryer. The Xiaomi Double Stack has two baskets stacked vertically, each with 6 liters capacity, letting you cook 4 dishes at once. That means your chicken wings can crisp up on top while fries or veggies cook below, without flavor mixing. And thanks to 360 degrees hot airflow, everything comes out crispy outside and tender inside. No more unevenly cooked food disasters. It's also smart, like actually smart. You can connect it to the Xiaomi Home app to unlock hundreds of cloud recipes, create custom ones, and even schedule cooking up to 24 hours in advance. The LCD touch display is clear and lets you control the upper and lower baskets separately, or sync them if you want the same cooking settings for both. Plus cleanup, a breeze, non-stick coating, dishwasher, safe baskets, and no awkward scrubbing required. Compared to smaller Xiaomi air fryers or even the dual zone 10 liters, the double stack saves space, cooks faster, and is more flexible. Independent heating elements in both baskets mean precise control. It's like having two air fryers in one sleek package without cluttering your counter. So if you want crispy multi-dish meals with zero stress, the Xiaomi Smart Double Stack Air Fryer 12 liters is a game changer. Seriously, this thing turned me from a kitchen oops to a kitchen chef in just a few uses. Give it a try, you'll thank me when dinner comes out perfect every time. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.